guys, welcome back to my channel. तो आज की वीडियो है guys my it girl summer essentials and I feel like these kind of videos are going viral right now on YouTube and everybody is giving their take on what are it girl summer must-haves and आप लोग क्या ले सकते हो to become that girl. And yeah guys, without any further ado, let's get started with the video. So I have categorized this time to actually talk to you guys about particular things in particular order. सबसे पहले let's talk about sunscreen and the sunscreen जो actually में मुझे help करती हैं. सबसे पहले we have the Bioderma sunscreen. This one is recommended by my dermat and this one guys is amazing for acne skin. अगर आपकी बहुत ऑयली स्किन है then something like this is going to be really helpful for you. Bioderma में ना दो वेरिएंट्स आते हैं, the creme one and the aqua fluid one. So if you have oily skin, get this one, not the creme. Creme वाली बहुत अच्छी है for dry skin girls. Next up I have a viral sunscreen that I actually love and that is the Garnier cooling sunscreen. Actually this one claims to instantly cool you by -2 degrees and not saying कि वो करता है but you will definitely get that cooling effect. Honestly I just love it. It has a texture of like the Wishcare fluid sunscreen. So if you want a fluid sunscreen consistency क्योंकि आजकल वो बहुत viral चल रहा है that texture, then you can get this one from Garnier. The packaging is also very cute, very it girl aesthetic. आपको दिखाती हूँ. It's so lightweight and it blends again see in no time. So if you are looking for a good fluid sunscreen, you can try this one out. Next up we have a very viral product and that is called sunscreen sprays. Now every other brand is making it but this one from Happier is honestly very good. इसका जो spray है ना, it's not harsh. बहुत सारी sunscreen sprays में sprays काफी harsh होते हैं. Like just see, it's a very mist, like I love the mist consistency of it. It's very liquidy if you see and आप इसको अपने बहुत ही easily body पे भी लगा सकते हो. It leaves a little bit of white cast but once you blend it, it's all gone. This will definitely give you protection from of course sun and will also make your skin feel very hydrated throughout the day. Next category है guys hair care and I have some amazing shampoo and mask recommendations for you. So if you have colored hair like mine then you can definitely try the L'Oreal Vitamino Color. This one just works amazingly for my dry end especially. Now I have right now 3rd 4th hair day, like still my hair is manageable and जब मेरे बाल after wash होते हैं ना they definitely feel so much softer and I have tried this one since so long now. I got this in the PR but I have literally repurchased this twice and by that of course you can see that I have been literally loving this product. If you have colored hair, damaged hair या frizzy hair ना, उसके लिए बहुत अच्छा है just to control your frizz and damage in this heat. And to follow it up with this you can use a very good mask and this one is again from L'Oreal. This is their Absolute Repair Molecular Mask. Now this is specially for damaged hair. Now if you have a lot of roughness, dryness, frizziness and आपके बाल बहुत dehydrated हैं, then this one is going to be really helpful. And guys सबसे बड़ी बात है इसकी जो fragrance है, it's like I've entered a salon. Amazing. If you ever get the chance to visit any store and वहाँ पे ये available हो, guys, in my opinion, just go there and like smell it. आपका instantly ना इसको लेने का मन कर जाएगा क्योंकि ये honestly काफी अच्छा है. I have been using this. अभी तक 2 बार मैंने use किया है and I honestly love it. So these two I use together. Now Vitamino वाले का ना अलग से भी mask आता है, that also I have, but I prefer this mask over that. But if you don't have colored hair and just normal hair type and you want a good shampoo, you can try this one from Wishcare. This is the AHA BHA anti-dandruff shampoo. Now this one is really good for oily scalp. Like मेरी scalp काफी oily है, like just after a day or two my hair gets oily like right now as you can see. So I use this shampoo once I feel like मेरे बाल बहुत oily हो रहे हैं. I do not use this regularly. I use it like just once or twice week में. This will help me to just clarify my scalp, remove all the oil build-up या फिर whenever I do styling and all ना, like my head always takes a toll, so this helps me to just regain that back. The next category that we have guys is body care and I have this body wash recommendation. This is the Dove Glow Recharge body wash. This has 3% brightening serum and vitamin C. जो इसका texture है, it comes out in like a bead form, like exfoliating at the same time. So it has exfoliation beads. Now if you have strawberry legs and strawberry hands, it's all fine. You just use this once and twice and trust me आपको बहुत difference दिखेगा अपने strawberry hands पे और legs पे क्योंकि ना ये help करता है to exfoliate your pores deeply. Now if you have strawberry legs that means आपके काफी enlarged pores हैं and आपको उनको minimize करना है. So by using an exfoliating like scrub or even like an exfoliating body wash, it will help you to minimize it to the extent जहाँ पे वो हो जाए but again this is like after using it काफी बार तब आपको difference दिखेगा, but I have been using this one just for the brightening effect. बहुत ही हल्के 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 particles हैं. Now to follow it up with a very good body lotion, I love this one from Nykaa. This one is actually very underrated. A lot of people do not talk about it, but I don't know. I'm literally obsessed with this one. इसका मैंने पहले भी एक variant try करा है, the aqua variant, and that one was just too good. This time I got the Japanese cherry blossom. This is the Wonderlust Inca body milk. Now this one is a spray form. It goes on like that, and again it just melts, guys. Like कहाँ चला गया पता भी नहीं चला. This has again a very nice fruity, as it says, it is cherry blossom, so it has that cherry blossom fragrance, plus it's not at all heavy. Now if you can see, हल्का सा वो glow आ भी गया है. इसके अंदर भी बहुत सारे variants आते हैं. A very underrated but amazing product. And lastly, in the body care category, we have a deodorant. This one is from Dove. This is the Go Fresh Cucumber and Green Tea scent. This one is again amazing for your underarms, for hydration. Now I am the kind of person who sweats a lot, so I need a good deodorant to lock in the odor and just makes me feel fresh the entire day. Now इसके भी मैंने काफी bottles खत्म कर दी हैं. I've always used इसका pink variant that I recently finished, but then I restocked with this one. So you can also carry it very easily. Go to your washroom, फटाफट से लगा लिया, फिर से just retouch up and you're good to go. The next category that we have is makeup, of course. How can my videos be without makeup? My summer must have has to be a skin tint, guys. This one from Smashbox is literally the best skin tint ever. Now this is basically a healthy all-in-one tinted moisturizer. So this basically has that lightest, like very slightest coverage, and it also has SPF. Very good skin tint. I know काफी pricey है, but it works amazingly, guys. Now इसको भी मुझे लिए हुए ना 1-2 साल हो चुके हैं, and still ये इतना like बचा है अभी भी मेरा, and I use it like just like that on my skin ऐसे ऐसे करके, and I just blend it with my fingers and I'm good to go. Recently on my solo date vlog, which is like also live on my channel, उसमें I've used this and you can see my face, my makeup just looked so natural, so glowy, and you know, I was literally out throughout the day working from a cafe and my makeup did not budge for even once, and all thanks to this, of course. As it girl aesthetic mein you have to be glowy, you have to have that glowy skin. So this one from ELF actually helps me to bring back that glow. This is the Halo Glow liquid filter. I've talked about this so much in my videos recently कि literally this has become my it girl summer must have. If you wanted to get the Charlotte Tilbury flawless filter, before guys getting that, आप इसको try out करो. उसका ये half से भी half price का है, and you can definitely give your hands on it. 3 medium, and this is really good for Indian skin क्योंकि आपको ना हल्का से highlighting effect भी देगा. Plus this has the slightest coverage to give you that glowy look. So if you want a good highlighting kind of a dewy makeup and glow, then you can definitely give this one a try. Now to bring back that color in your face, you need a very good blush. Now I have 2 blush recommendations. The first one, I think so everybody know by now that Maybelline Sun Kisser is one of my favoriteest blushes, but the glow that it gives is just insane. इसका pigment काफी अच्छा है, it lasts long and it blends like butter, guys. Now they have come up with other shades in Maybelline for brown skin girls, so you can definitely give them a try क्योंकि उनका भी of course formula same है, but colors इसमें काफी आ गए हैं. So I always love this shade. This is the 01 Downtown Rush for medium Indian skin tone, the kind of skin tone that I have. The second blush that I was talking about is this one from House of Makeup. ये मैंने आज भी लगाया है, बहुत ही हल्का हल्का, and guys it just blends like anything. ये उससे ज्यादा ना creamy texture में है, that is more liquidy. This is proper creamy texture में, and if you love cream blushes then this one is really good. इसकी if you see packaging is so cute, so tiny to just easily carry anywhere, and इसको आप फटाफट से कहीं भी like you know on the go लगा सकते हो. This is in the shade guys Burnt Rose, and if you can see right now it goes on a little bit more ऐसे dark red सा, but it converts into this very nice pinky color and that glow you see. So if you want a 2-in-1 thing like a lip and cheek tint एक ही में मिल जाए, so you can try this one from House of Makeup. Lastly guys, of course we need a very good summer lipstick, and this one from Nykaa is literally the bestest. This is their super light range, and this is in the color guys Blushing Bellini, pinky color, and this has a soft you know touch of mauve into it. I'll just show it to you. look at that color. This has the perfect amount of pink nude. This just goes on so lightweight, so nice, and this has that moussey texture. So once it's all, you know, dried up, feel your lips like getting blurred and your lips settling into a very drying formula. And the last part of this video is the random section that I have. सबसे पहला है these claw clips, guys. Now every other girl on Instagram is wearing these. Now I have 3 shades in this, guys. Imagine just being on an island wearing these, looking the best. This is literally out of a Pinterest board and you can just use them very easily. They're available on Amazon, Meesho या फिर random जो markets होती है ना, वहाँ पे भी मिल जाते हैं. Next up, a very random but essential summer must have is a wax stick. So now if you're a lazy girl who cannot wash her hair every single day, a wax stick is the bestest thing for you. Like right now, जब मैं अपनी half pony बनाई ना, I just tamed all of my baby hair using this stick and I'm good to go. अब जितने भी बेबी हेयर है, फ्लाईअवेज हैं, they just stick and आपका ना बस लुक एक पॉलिश लगता है ताकि एक्चुअली में आप प्रेजेंटेबल लगो. And yeah guys, with that we come to an end to this video. I really hope you enjoyed this one and I really hope that you found some amazing it girl summer must-haves. As usual guys, सबके links होंगे in the description box below, so do check it out before you exit this video. And yeah guys, if you love the video, you know what you have to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel guys, and see you guys on my next one. Bye.
Never been to California, never been to LA.